Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all are fine and doing good. Welcome to our EVS class. Children, have you all written your exams well? Hope all have written it well. Do you remember our previous class lesson? What is it? Very good, children. The lesson is physical fitness and safety. Shall I ask you some questions from the previous class lesson? What is necessary to keep fit? Exercise or toys? Say, children. Which is the correct answer? Very good. Exercise is necessary to keep fit. Question number 2. Exercise keeps us unfit. Say, children, true or false? Very good. False. Okay, children. Now let's move on to our today's topic. Safety. Children, what is safety? Do you know? Safety is being away from harm and taking care of ourselves. Safety is being away from harm and taking care of ourselves. First of all, we are going to see about the safety rules that should be followed at home. There are some safety rules which must be followed in our home. Come on, children, let's see it. We should not play with matches or candles because fire is dangerous. Fire is dangerous. We should not go near the gas stove. We should not go near the gas stove. We should not play with sharp things such as knives, scissors, etc. We should not play with sharp things such as knives, scissors, etc. We should not play with electrical things such as switches or wires because we may get a shock. We should not run down the stairs. We should keep our toys away after use. We should keep our toys away after use. Next, we are going to see about the safety rules that should be followed at school. School is a place where we spend a major part of our day. School is a place where we spend a major part of our day. Isn't it, children? There are some safety rules which should be followed in our school. Come on, children. Let's see what are they. We should walk in a line. We should walk in a line. We should walk in a queue to board our school bus. We should walk in a queue to board our school bus. We should not climb onto a moving bus. We should not climb onto a moving bus. We should not play inside the classroom. We should not play inside the classroom. Next, we are going to see about the safety rules on the road. Children, it is very important to follow road safety rules while driving or walking on the road. There are some safety rules which should be followed on the road. Come on children, let's see it. We should never go out on the road alone. We should never go out on the road alone. We should hold the hands of our parents while walking on the road. We should hold the hands of our parents while walking on the road. We should walk on the footpath. We should walk on the footpath. We should always wear a helmet while cycling. We should always wear a helmet while cycling. Next, we are going to see about traffic light. Children, what is a traffic light? Do you know? See this picture, children. Have you ever seen it before? This is a traffic light. This is a traffic light. The traffic light controls the traffic by using lights of different colors. The traffic light controls the traffic by using lights of different colors. Do you know what the traffic lights say to people who drive? The red light at the top says stop. The red light at the top says stop. The yellow light says get ready. The yellow light says get ready. The green light says go. The green light says go. We should follow these traffic lights to be safe on the road. Next, we are going to see about the zebra crossing. Children, what is zebra crossing? Do you know? You might have seen white and black markings on the road. This is called as the zebra crossing. It is the place where we can cross the road. It is the place where we can cross the road. It is the safest way to cross the road. It is the safest way to cross the road. At last, we are going to see about first aid. Children, what is first aid? Have you ever heard it before? Yes, children, you are right. First aid is the first help that you give a person who is hurt. First aid is the first help that you give a person who is hurt. This is done before the doctor comes. What does a first aid box contain? A first aid box contains bandage, cotton, a pair of scissors, and an antiseptic lotion or cream. Have you all understood, children? Shall we do some exercises based on our today's topic? Come on, children, let's do it. Children, all of you take page number 61 in your EVS book. Number 2, match the following. Column A with column B. Children, what is this? This is cycling. Cycling is a good exercise. Cycling is a good exercise. B. What is this? This can cause a shock. Next, what is this? This is a zebra crossing. This is a zebra crossing. Next, what is this? This is a traffic light. This is a traffic light. What is this? This is a first aid. This is a first aid. Go to the next page, children. Number 3. Check the correct sentences. Cross the wrong ones. A. Exercise keeps us fit. Say, children, correct or wrong? Correct. Exercise keeps us fit. So, we put tick. B. We should sleep late and wake up late. Say, children, correct or wrong? Wrong. So, we put cross. Next, safety means taking care of ourselves. Safety means taking care of ourselves. Correct or wrong, say, children? Yes, good. Correct. So, we put tick. Safety means taking care of ourselves. Correct. Next, we should always sit with our backs straight. Say, children, correct or wrong? Yes, very good. Correct. We should always sit with our backs straight. Next, we should not play on the road. We should not play on the road. Say, children, correct or wrong? Yes, very good. Correct. So, we put tick. We should not play on the road. Number 4. Answer the following questions in 1 or 2 words. B. What is safety? Safety is being away. Safety is being away from harm. What is safety? Safety is being away from harm. C. What do the colors in the traffic light stand for? Red, stop. Yellow, get ready. Yellow, get ready. Green, go. Green, go. Next question. Write 2 safety rules to be followed at school. Do not play with sharp objects. Do not play with sharp objects. Do not run down the stairs. Next, what is first aid? First aid is the first help. First aid is the first help you give a person who is hurt. First aid is the first help you give a person who is hurt. Children, all of you take page number 61. Number 1. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Do this as homework. Children, take page number 64. Worksheet number 1. Tick the correct pictures and cross the wrong ones. Do this also as homework. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.